What's up guys, Chicks here from Chicks Tech Reviews. So this is the HIMO C20 electric bike. Now the bike weighs around 21 kgs and is powered by a 250 watt motor. You have height adjustable handlebar and seat, no tools required. The bike is quite quick in acceleration and will give you a maximum speed of 25 km per hour and a maximum range of up to 80 km in assist mode and 50 km in pure electric mode. Now the motor is fairly quiet in operation and you do achieve a comfortable smooth drive. The bike is a good universal size and anyone up to 6 foot tall can use this bike, and the maximum weight the bike can handle is 100 kgs. So key highlights of the HIMO C20. This bike has a built-in hand pump, and to access it you just remove the seat completely with its pole, unscrew the cap at the end of the pole and pull out the pump cable, and you are now ready to inflate your tyres. The entire pole becomes a hand pump. Absolute genius who came up with this one. Now the bike frame is made from aluminium alloy. It feels durable and lightweight, finished in this dark grey colour with the HIMO C20 logo on the sides. Now the battery is actually removable and is found on the top of the bike frame. There is also a button that will show you the battery level, and the charger port is also located at the top side of the battery. Now to remove the battery you just need to use the included key. You can then conveniently charge the battery anywhere you like. It needs a good 6 hours to charge, but you can achieve up to 80 km range in assist mode, which is pretty good. Now fortunately this bike is completely IPX waterproof, and I did ride it in the rain, not intentionally, and the bike got completely drenched and it's still working fine. So it's good to know that rain is not going to damage the bike. Furthermore, you have 20-inch tyres with the 250 watt motor located on the rear, and you do have double disc brakes with 6-speed Shimano gears, and on the back for safety you have your red brake lights and bright white LED front lights, controlled by keeping the power button pressed for a few seconds, and then the lights will immediately turn on. If we have a quick look at the handlebar controls, you have an LCD display unit with 2 buttons, a power button and mode button, and the display will show you your current speed, distance and battery levels. If you press mode you can change between the 3 speed modes, low, medium and high. And if we look on the right side, hidden within the handlebar there is actually a throttle accelerator. So there you have it guys, that was the new HIMO C20 electric bike. Another one to add to the collection I guess. The bike was a comfortable ride. It's completely UK legal standard, so maximum speed 25 km per hour, which is actually 15 miles per hour. The motor is powerful and fairly silent in operation, and whilst riding this bike it's not immediately obvious that you are riding an electric bike, and that's of course as long as you're pedaling. Now electrical assist is brilliant. It takes away the effort of cycling and makes hill climbs a breeze. There is also pure electric mode by using the throttle and not pedaling at all. Or you can just ride it as a normal bike with your legs doing all the work. Certainly nice to have options. So bottom line, a decent electric bike with removable battery, hidden hand pump and IP rating. But unfortunately this bike does not fold in half. But what it will do is give you a massive 80 km range, which converts to 49 miles on a single charge. So very decent offering for the price. Been using mine for about 2 weeks now and it served me very well. No complaints at this stage, just a smooth drive, ticking most of the boxes on what you really need from a affordable electric bike. Yes, I would have enjoyed something a bit faster, but of course this bike is following EU and UK speed regulations. Nevertheless, if you still want speed you can always pedal whilst using pure electric mode, and the speed will boost up to at least 29 to 30 km per hour. Let me know what you guys think. Any questions, you know what to do. Links will be in the description box in case you want to check this out for yourself. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.